Want to know more about affiliate marketing? Read this now. Affiliate marketing is something that all webmasters should consider. It's never been easier to add affiliate links to your site. These come in all shapes and sizes too, so you can choose something that isn't too distracting. If you add decent videos to your site that relate somehow to the product or service, and post similar videos and comments on other websites and blogs, you can turn over a surprising amount of money. You don't even need to be a good writer. Many video writing services and software are now so affordable. Take a look at some more useful information on the subject in the following paragraphs. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. The tips above should create a good foundation for you to build a marketing plan. It's really not that difficult, so join the millions who are making money in this way. The more effort you put in, the more you can make. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.